cool, and so they live together with the trees and birds and little girls who play upon poor Jean-Claude's nerves, till finally he strokes Claire's knee, and when she asks of his ambition, Jean-Pierre replies, my mission is to become eternal and to die. Heaven knows the reason why. When the lights go out all over Europe, I forget about old Hollywood, 'cause Doris Day could never make me cheer up quite the way those French girls always could.
Méchant avec toi. C'est la preuve que je ne suis pas amoureuse de toi.
On dit qu'il n'y a pas d'amour heureux. Mais
Si
c'est
je
le contraire.
t'aime, oh, c'est trop compliqué.
Au contraire, il n'y a pas d'amour même.
Je veux que les gens s'occupent pas de moi.
Mais je suis indépendant.
Peut-être que tu es
Moi, tu y crois. Tu n'es pas.
C'est pour ça que je t'ai dénoncé.
Je te suis supérieur.
Non, tu es forcé de partir.
When
Tu es cinglé.
the lights go out all over Europe, I forget about old MGM, 'cause Paramount was never universal, and Warner's went out way back when. Those lights go out all over Europe, I forget about old Hollywood, 'cause Doris Day could never make me cheer up quite the way those French girls always could. Innocence can often be another one of war's casualties, but innocence can be restored with a visit to the professore for 10,000 lirami. Can find its way. Virginity is dirty needle leaves a trail of scars and keeps her at the peak of her sexual power. Neapolitan girl, oh yeah. She takes him riding on a 133 through the city to the cemetery, where the Neapolitan girls go down behind the headstones. Oh, the quickening breath and muffled cries as life and death become entwined. Now, baby, just pretend you don't see them lusting in the mausoleum. Yeah, Neapolitan girl. Oh yeah. Well, Lola has a lover in the city's bank, and Lola has a lover in the British ranks. Lola has a lover in the middle of the day, 'cause Lola makes her neighbors all jealous that way. She doesn't care about right or wrong, just about where the next meal's coming from. Neapolitan girl.